Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to take a look at the all new One UI 8 update on Galaxy M35. So first let's check the version that I'm currently running on my phone. As you can see, it is on Android 15 and the Google Play System update and the security patch are both from September 1. So now I'm going to download the One UI 8 update that is available on my smartphone, so which also brings Android 16. Here you can see all the new improvement listed. I'll cover them in another video. It is also showing that the system update that will be updated along with all those applications that are going to update. And for reference, let me tell you that the update size is about 3 gigabytes. That's a huge size, not perfectly 3 gigabytes but somewhat matching to it. And it also includes the latest September 1 security patch toward my mobile phone. So let me now wait for it to download. So now let's install the update and see what happens. It is very first currently just going to verify the update and then preparing the phone to restart. So let me do that, and alright, the phone has now restarted, and it is going to take some time now because it is right now installing the update actually. So after a bit, the installation took a time about 15 minutes, but now the phone has successfully booted up, and let me see what happens. As you can see here, the welcome screen for One UI 8, and I just tap start, and now let me go toward the settings and let us see in the about phone section and in the software information section. You can clearly see that we are now on One UI 8 based on N. And now let me tell you about the all new One UI 8 update, which brings the Android 16 update, and with the Easter egg game called Baklava. It is here too. So it's a space theme game and an autopilot mode that automatically files up your ship back. So now you'll notice there's a dynamic wallpaper which changes its color depending on the time of the day. For example, it's evening right now, so the wallpaper appears to be darker and bluish tone. So now let us move toward the all new location customization. You can easily change your wallpaper, and when you tap the clock, you'll see a bunch of animated clock styles. So here's the best part about the clock style, that is changes its size according to the image. For reference, I'm taking this image that appears to be good, and that's everything in the new One UI 8 update for Galaxy M35 running Android 16 right now. I'll be making a separate video covering all the new features and hidden changes in detail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friend. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.